Welcome to another episode of Let's Cook with Pam, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken wings. And this is a very simple method because I'm just going to use a few ingredients, which is the chicken wings. I have salt here, I have chibundiro spice, my mixed spices here, then ginger garlic paste. And of course we are going to use Rina. And for today's episode, I'm going to show you the fact that you can reuse Rina oil without a problem. This oil had been used to make mandazi, then I used it to make chips, and you can see it's still clean. I'm going to use it to make my chicken wings. So we'll start by lighting the fire. Then you'll pour in hot water, just a bit. Into the water, we are going to put some salt, not too much. Then some ginger garlic paste. I do my ginger garlic paste in large quantities and then I just freeze. You blend it together with Rina oil. That keeps it safe and moist for all that time. It doesn't go bad, it doesn't turn green. So we are going to let that boil for a while before you drop in your chicken wings. Once the water is boiling perfectly, you'll drop in your chicken wings, and you can see they are into two parts. There's this one which looks like a drumstick and this one, but I have removed the winglets. You know that little part which is on the side, which is called the winglet, it's not part of this. So we are going to drop in the chicken wings into the water to boil. In some recipes, you'll find that there's no boiling of the chicken wings. I like doing this just to make sure the chicken is safe enough, because chicken can give you very bad food poisoning, so I like cooking my chicken through. So I boil it a bit, then we'll continue with the other process. So we are going to allow it to boil for like 5 to 10 minutes, then we'll continue with the rest. The wings have been boiling for about 7 minutes now. So what we are going to do is remove them from this stock, and please don't throw away your stock. You can use this to make other meals. You can use it to make stews, to make rice. So what I do is when I boil my chicken like this, I remove this stock, which is the liquid here, and just keep it. You freeze it for the next use. So I'll switch off the stove and light this other one for my oil to be hot, ready to fry the wings. So I'm going to remove these ones from this water, or the stock as I called it. You remember we only put ginger garlic paste on this in this mixture. So now what we are going to do is maybe spice it up a bit more. So we are going to use some spice mix. And a bit of chibundiro as well, which is another spice mix, and some flour. This is just flour. I put my flour in this thing to make it easy to come out. So we are just going to mix this. You can see the chicken is now coated. But you can coat it more. The more you coat it, the more it's going to be crunchy. Now we'll check whether our oil is ready for frying. We'll put in a wooden spoon and see whether it's bubbling. You can see it's bubbling. So I know my oil is ready. So I'm going to use a tongue to dip my chicken into the oil. And be careful when frying chicken, it always pops. So we are going to fry them in batches. You see the golden color it's giving? So just fry. Now you can see the chicken have very nice color. As you can see, they have been frying and they are golden brown. So what I'm going to do is to remove them and put them on a kitchen towel. So I'm going to put in the second batch of chicken. Now I'm removing the final batch of the chicken. And as you can see, the color is beautiful. And they are very crunchy. Now I'm going to switch off the stove and just serve my chicken. Now I'm ready to serve my wings. And I have some fries here. I'm going to serve it with. In Kenya, we call them chips. So I have some potato chips here. I don't know how many pieces of wings you can eat. You need to tell us in the comments below. Now I'm going to invite a guest of mine to come and try out my wings. Karibu sana Nick.
Thank you very much.
Here's serving.
Amazing.
I want you to try that and tell me what you think about it.
Thank you. I like how it looks, quite yummy, delicious. And of course, I'll start with the chicken, right? You can't run away from it.
What do you think?
Allow me to enjoy myself.
Yes. Please enjoy yourself.
It's nice, it's moist. Well done, I can feel all the flavors coming out really nicely. This is any time outside the camera to deal with it, you know it, right?
I would like to know how many wings can you do?
We don't count wings. We just eat the kisha. That's it. Yes. So this is okay.
For a serving?
For now.
Okay. Sawa, sawa.
Thank you very much. This is really delicious. I appreciate it.
Karibu sana. I hope to see you again in the next show.
Sure. So you allow me to go and enjoy myself?
Go and enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
That is how I make my chicken wings. Follow me on Instagram as Let's Cook with Pam KE. I'm on Facebook as Pamela Odror. And don't forget to subscribe to Let's Cook with Pam. See you next time.